Setting up a Facebook group is an effective way to create a space for people with shared interest and connect, communicate, and collaborate. So to start, you got to log into your Facebook account and navigate to the groups section on the left sidebar of your homepage. Once there, click on Create Group to begin the setup process. First, you're going to be asked to give a group name. So choose one that clearly represents the group's purpose, so potential members can easily understand what the group is about. Next, you're going to need to choose the group's privacy setting. You can select public if you want anyone to join and see posts, or private if you prefer to limit access to approved members. If you choose a private group, you can also decide whether the group is visible or hidden. Now, once you've chosen privacy settings, you can invite friends to join the group or skip this step for now. You can also have the option to add a cover photo that reflects the group's theme or purpose, helping it stand out visually. All right, so after the group is set, you can customize the settings, such as adding a group description, setting rules, and appointing admins. Posting valuable content and engaging with members will help the group grow and thrive. All right, let me know if this helped you out.